So, what is a reasonable amount of time to expect to start making money in voiceover? Well, it's a good question. And the answer is really, it depends. Um, as in any kind of business venture, there are a number of variables at play. How much time do you have to put into it? How prepared are you in terms of training and skill development? Do you have the proper marketing materials? Do you have great demos? How about your website? Do you have the marketing strategies in place to use? And the more of these variables that you have working on your side, the more time you can put in, the more, especially when it comes to proper training and skill development and having the right demos and website, all of those things, each one of those components or variables, if you've maximized out that area, it's going to increase your chances of not only getting work sooner, but also making more money. Now, all of that said, broadly speaking, I would expect somebody who's starting a voiceover business to begin making money within the first month or two, and to have at least a slow, steady stream of income coming in after 3 months. But that is provided they've had the proper training, preparation, demos, etc. If you don't, it can be a very long and frustrating process. However, if you do all of the right things on the front end, I mean, I've seen people get work within a matter of days. But again, you have to have the proper marketing tools and understand the proper marketing strategies. So, and again, the time. How much time are you putting in? 30 minutes a day? Or are you putting in 8 hours a day? When I first started, I hit the ground running full time because I was out of a job and I needed to make this thing work. So for me, it became a full time effort immediately, and therefore I was making money relatively quickly. If you're only working a half hour a day, again, it's a totally different ball game. But make sure you have all of those variables. You've taken care of the proper preparation and training and put as much time as you can. And when you do that, you can expect to be making money within the first few months of starting a voiceover business.